Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make this beautiful and very cute and super easy puff flower. This flower is made by 2 rounds and it has 6 petals. You can make these beautiful puff flowers in several colors and use them for decorating your crochet projects or join them together and make a big project. Let's do that. I'm going to start the work with making a slip knot with first yarn. So wrap the yarn around the pinky from front to back. Pull that and place that at top of my index from back to front and hold this part of yarn between my thumb and middle finger. Then place the hook on this yarn, pull it down and hold between same 2 fingers to have a loop on the hook. Pull the loop up and go behind of the working yarn and pull it through, and then remove my fingers, pull this beginning tail and then pull the working yarn to have a slip knot. Now I'm going to make 4 chains. To make a chain, go behind of the working yarn, pull it through. Again, go behind of the working yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through. After making 4 chains, we're going to make a ring with this 4 chains. So insert the hook into this beginning chain between 2 loops of that and make a slip stitch. Pull the yarn through and then pull that through the loop on the hook to have a slip stitch. And here is our ring, and we're going to make the first round into this loop. Start the first round with making 1 chain and then make 12 single crochets all into the same ring. So insert the hook into the ring here, pull up a loop to have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's the first single crochet. Again, go to the ring, pull up a loop from that, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, that's the second single crochet. Again, go to the ring, pull up a loop from that to have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, that's the third single crochet. After making some single crochets, you make these single crochets closer to each other. Again, go to the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and continue making single crochets to have 12 single crochets totally. Now I'm at the end of round 1 and I have 12 single crochets all around, and I'm going to finish the round and change the yarn at the same time. So with the second yarn, make a slip stitch at top of the beginning single crochet of the round. Here, insert the hook under these 2 loops at top of this first single crochet of the round. You can mark this single crochet at the beginning of your work, and then grab the second yarn, pull it through, and then pull that through the loop on the hook, and round 1 is finished. And we're going to start the second round. Before starting the second round, I'm going to turn my work to the back and cut the first yarn, and then tie these tails together. One more time. Tie the first thread to the second thread and turn the work to the right side again to start round 2. For the beginning of round 2, we're going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. And now yarn over and insert the hook into the same stitch, the joining stitch of previous round here. Under 2 loops of that, grab the yarn, pull it through, and pull it up to have a long loop. Then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops on the hook. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again, yarn over, go to the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull that to have a long loop, and yarn over, pull through these 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. One more time, yarn over, go to the same stitch, pull a long loop, then yarn over, pull through these 2 loops on our hook, and now we have 4 loops on the hook. And we're going to repeat this sequence into the next stitch. So yarn over, move on to the next stitch under 2 loops of that, here, pull a long loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over, go to the same stitch here, the second stitch of previous round, pull it up to have a long loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We have 6 loops on the hook, and again yarn over, go to the same stitch and pull a long loop, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 7 loops on our hook, and we're going to collect them together. So yarn over and pull it through all of these loops. After that, make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and then make 1 slip stitch into the same stitch, the second stitch of previous round. Here, insert the hook into the same stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook to have a slip stitch, and then push these stitches from the back to front and form that with our hand. And here is our first petal, and we're going to repeat that work for making next petals. So start the second petal with 3 chains and repeat the sequence. Yarn over, go to the next stitch, the third stitch of previous round here, pull a loop from that, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Again, yarn over, go to the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. One more time, yarn over, go to the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull a long loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and after working these 3 stitches, move on to the next stitch, the 4th stitch of previous round, and repeat same sequence. Yarn over, go to the next stitch, pull a long loop from that, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, go to the same stitch, the 4th stitch of previous round, pull a long loop from that, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and repeat that work one more time. Yarn over, go to the same stitch and pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And now we have 7 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull that through all of these 7 loops. After that, make 1, 2, and 3 chains, and push these stitches to the front, insert the hook into the same stitch, the 4th stitch of previous round, and make 1 slip stitch. Now you can form the second petal with pushing it to the front, and repeat same sequence to make next 4 petals. Go to the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat the sequence 3 more times to have 6 petals totally. After working all of 6 petals and after making last 3 chains of last petal, insert the hook into the last stitch from previous round and make a slip stitch into that. Form the petal with my hand, and then I'm going to fasten off. So make a chain and then cut the yarn, pull this loop, and then tighten that. And then we're going to hide all of these tails through the work. So with a yarn needle, weaving through these stitches and hide that. Turn the work and insert the needle under the same loops except the first one. Pull that and then cut the yarn. And repeat the same work for other tails. And now here is our beautiful and very cute and nice crochet puff lover. I hope you like that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.